Throughout your time at NCMC, you may find yourself needing your transcript. In some cases, such as a good student discount for insurance, you just need your unofficial transcript, which you can access under the Grades heading in My Compass. When you begin applying to transfer institutions, you will need an official transcript, which can be requested by clicking the Transcript Request link at the bottom of any page on the NCMC website. This is what we will cover in this video. Once on the NCMC website, scroll down to the bottom of any page and click on Transcript Request under Trending Links. From here, click on Request Transcript Online. Next, click Order Transcripts at the bottom of the page. Type in your personal information, including either your NCMC student ID number or your Social Security number. On the next screen, you will provide your current contact information. During Step 2, you will select Transcript and Delivery Details, meaning the institution or person you want the transcript sent to, then how you want the transcript delivered and how many copies. Please note that electronic delivery is the fastest way to send your transcript and is the preferred method of most institutions. Next, you will check out and pay for your requested transcript. Transcripts are typically received within 24 to 48 hours of the initial request. A few reminders to consider before paying for your official transcript. If requesting your transcript at the end of a semester, be sure to wait until final grades have posted and any degrees you are completing have been awarded. You can see these on your unofficial transcript in My Compass. If there is a hold on your account for an outstanding balance, your official transcript will not be released until the balance is paid. Last, if you request that the official transcript be sent directly to you, then you send the transcript to your institution. They likely will not consider it official. If you have any questions regarding your transcript, please contact the NCMC Registrar's Office.